So this is what we're going to make based on table 1-6 on page 45. Quite a bit of stuff, but it's all doable. So we'll start with a blank page, and we'll have to start filling in the information we need. So again, if we look at the table over here on page 45, we're going to need a heading. We're going to need some columns. We need the information in the columns. You guys can plug that in on your own. Basically, and then a new workbook. I was able to paste in data from my electronic version of the textbook. Then all I had to do was some formatting. I'll start by using word wrap for the column headings. Then I will select all three of the columns and adjust the width. We'll try 12. That didn't work. We'll do Control Z. Apparently he's got that list. Ours is selected in inches. So we'll try that again. We'll say we'll select all three columns. And we will say column width. This time we will say 0.75 as in inches. 0.75. Much better. So we have word wrap, and if I bring this down here, we should see those show up. So there. Next, we want to grab the data to be used to create the scatter chart. So just like in the video, I'm going to select the cells that I need. I'm going to copy those. Actually, I don't think I have to copy. I think they just need to be selected. When I click on charts, we'll see scatter. And I'm going to check a marked scatter. And there we go, just like in the example. I will clean up some of the things. I'll clean up this label over here, makes it smaller. I will add an axis line, and we'll do that by selecting chart layout. Notice it says axis titles here. I will first do the horizontal axis. I'll click on title below and put in HDD, just like it shows in the book. No slash A, NA rather. Whoops, got a 9 in there. Don't need that. It's supposed to be parenthesis. Whoop. Okay. Next, we'll select that again, and this time we'll do the vertical. We'll select vertical title. And use electricity in kWh. That doesn't look very good. We're going to do that a different way. We'll use the rotated title. Electricity in kilowatt hours. All right. wants us to get rid of these lines. Select the lines, press delete. I'm completely fine with diamonds instead of circles. However, I do want to have this trend line, so I will right click and I will select on the line. I was supposed to select a data point, right click on it and select data trend line, and I will go with linear, and under options I believe I want to select display equation on the chart and also display the r-squared value on the chart. I do not want to mess with this set intercept. I will let it solve for that itself. Okay, now I move this over. What do I see? I see numbers that are different than what I had. What's wrong with my picture? Anyone see it? Yes. I only brought 11 values over. I didn't bring over January or January of 02 or the heating degree days or the electricity for that month. So all my numbers are skewed because I'm missing the 12th set of data. How can I fix that? Well, I'll show you. I'm going to select this line right here, all three of these. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say insert, and I'm going to tell it to shift the rows down, and it has. The reason I didn't just add to the bottom is I want to keep the same formatting. Now I will grab this line and I will drag it up, and we will copy that information. All I have to do now is change well be darned, we're not showing my formula window. Got to get the formula bar in there. There's my formula bar. This needs to be December 01. Enter. Aha. Look, it changed the data type. I'll have to fix that. This should be January 02. All right, so the formats on these need to be changed to, we will format the cells, and we need month, year, year. Let's try that again. There we go. Still got to change the data. 579 and 84,240. And notice Microsoft Excel's program actually fixed it. Because I copied a line in, it solved the problem. So you got to watch me make all the mistakes, which is good, because don't want you to think that I don't make any. I make lots of mistakes. So we're partway through here. What we have to do next is the data regression analysis. To do that, we are going to select the heating degree days and the kilowatt hours. Before we do that, I want to insert a line. Undo with the Control Z. I'm going to insert a line above here. Okay, because I want this to be HDD and I want this to be KWH. Okay, I also want these to be right above it, and I'll even take month. Command C, Command V, and I will grab all three of these and I will change it so we have the alignment in the center on the bottom. We also need to change this to be to the right and this one to the left. I'm sorry, to the left, both to the left. So that's how our formatting is going to look.